analysis, we're going to be looking at Nvidia. As you can see, we broke underneath this downward sloping or this upward sloping trend line, fell underneath, and now we're pushing back up to it. Let's see what happens. I do see two scenarios playing out. One being we have confluence to the downside, so we push up, we retest, and we push down further before making our way up higher. I do see us breaking that eventually, whether we chop or not, and then break out. The other scenario I see is pushing up, breaking, closing, retesting that trend line and support and resistance, and then pushing up higher. And once Nvidia gets going, it's going to start ramping insanely quick. We have this trading range that we've been talking about for an extended period of time. Had about 3 touches to the bottom, and we're making our way back up. So I do think it's going to be very bullish to see a move above here and close above these wicks here and bouncing. And if you were to take a flagpole from here to here and you measure it out as a measured move, could potentially take you to that $300 mark. Not sure what the time frame would be on that, but that would be the next target in terms of this bull flag. But things are looking very bullish, so we'll see where things take us. And on a second note, you could take this as the flagpole here if you wanted to, a shorter flagpole, and maybe your target is sitting here at 220. So those are the two ways that I see it. Things are looking very bullish though overall. On the weekly, we did break above the 20 and the 50, and we got to close on the weekly extremely bullish, and now we're holding above that. We are above the 200-day SMA, extremely bullish, and let's see where things take us. On the RSI, we made an inverse head and shoulders, pushing up higher. We have probably hit that target that it would measure out to, but that doesn't mean that the price is going to stop here. So let's see where the strength takes us here on the RSI, and if we can get to overbought territory. And here on the daily, we are overbought, creating higher highs, higher lows. So let's see if this thing can ramp up even higher, but just be aware that we are in overbought territory at the moment. So it wouldn't be a surprise if there is some kind of pullback temporarily. On the weekly MACD, we're looking extremely good, where we got the flip from red to green, and we got the blue crossing the orange, pushing to the 0 dotted line to back to the bullish territory. So let's see where things go from here. They are looking very good though at the moment for Nvidia. And here on the daily, we just been trending upward and slowly increasing volume, but nothing too crazy, we haven't had any major spikes. But overall, I think this was a great dip opportunity, and hopefully you were able to get in and you're able to ride out this next leg up. That's all I have for you guys here. Like and subscribe, share with a friend. I'll see you guys in the next one.